went to Antep to work with his uncle. Really, like incredible that he was just like the child of a family that lived in the village. So he doesn't have like the background that the family was like so knowledge about anything, or he doesn't have any like money powers to influence people. It was just his word and his effort that made everything possible. And this is like you can easily see. It's just a university. He was studying law in there, but he just stayed 1 year and he didn't like it that much. Then he passed to the Ankara. In Ankara, like political science. He met with friends in there, and before going in university, he works like for 3 years in Ahmet as like public officer. He's welcoming you.
دودیا جوارا بین ده حوشیه سعادالغیت پشتا بده پنجه سالی ده هر تشتی بداره بود هم باشی بون هم جی خرابی کنیم.
Like if it's possible for this house to like speak, like it will told out us like about like what happens in these 50 years. Like many people visit here, like many of them wants to visit, but not possible for them to come here. And we see many like the friends now who are from here. بجبومجي كيف خاشوا كم هات ما وديت يعني وكيكم من سروتي تما بس أم كيف خاش بنا من مالاوي يمره ما نبيله ما كيف خاش يسك.
سروت تم يعني براتي قلادي يعني حقيقة تجي حركات سروت هر تجيه يعني كيان ملتات دوار برابره براتي قلاد حضرتي الدنيا هوا كشار يعني الدروجيخة هوا دفن عباد
If Ribarapa was here, like he would be so happy to see like different friends from different nations, because he is always defending that the peaceable and brotherhood of the people is possible. So it's like an image of this.
Herkesi rakamı bileyim. Yani tendrüstü ne gol ama fiziki olarak serok pırıklamış gibi. Eğer diyeceğim rastiye ve dere bileyim. Hasinekli ve dere ve bu 27 sala da cevap kata. Em ri peşe roja dixwazin ki serok şubi ave derxîn. Li dere ve te ziyana xandrêjnar. Net rastı ve fiziki olarak ve pır diyazın. Pır diyazın. Roke peşte serok şubi dere ve ave derxîn. Nemrani xarutubet xatır farde ziyan bulunmak. Roke peşte der rekam ziyan xatır.
And even like he was like very morally high, he's like psychologically, but like physically he's getting old, and like the conditions in there is they're really bad because like we have like high humidity, like and it's even like hard to smell and like breathe. And we know of course like if it was like iron, like in this 27 year, iron will get like oxidated even. So of course physically getting age, but mentally and psychologically it's very good. But it's not possible to like live in there like for more than a day. So you need to be free and the conditions should be changed. You can think about conditions.
Like horrors conditions.
مثلا هبلتين كنجي غينت شتين بوليتيك ونسالش الضغط.
Is he finished like writing or he's still in the process?
I can as far I don't think he has information about this. Ve heri davi sarok kurtu keki nevesan o giş cemme ve naha sarok keki kurtu keki nudu nevise ya kabasay kaçıyorlar.
Bu asker naha şu muhazırlığı bekli lisaj jenek.
Keki lisaj.
Lisaj jenek o kurtu keki fazla.
Gumbular lisar mer nevesan diye. Mer kuştu.
Evet.
Bu bana kılacağız ki sar şimdi çok iyi yaklaşmış. Sar şimdi tam bir kişilik gibi de ben jenera bu. bu jine zayıf şey asker bakışıma bu. Sarveci politikaki yakın zamanda benefisini.
He said like I am right. If I am preparing to write a book about a woman struggle. He said like before I was writing and criticizing the men and like feeling
Hadi bir cevap ver.
But now he said that I will also talk and criticize about like the woman gets like a man with the capitalist system. Like even biologically they are women, but I'm in the idea level they act like a man. He said that now I will have a book about it and I will like comment on it and I will say like the manhood this also should be like here in the personalities of the women because it gets really degenerative and I am preparing for this new book.
Think about the peace process. If the step that he was imagining are doing, and if the movement are going in the right direction.
Tevgere rehabu mesela tevgere gort pevaje tevgere yan gabe khubashna ve jedi devlet olarak ne için?
Serok Hagut görevi kopiyet ki redari hareketi Kürt gu rüy peşa rujit ki var mededere adaya gu hav devlet de bago aslında serok bu bir hamlacı hasta ki kabin bir devlet gibi çıkan kanun hav bikinnek yani aslında rastıcı ve yani hatta ne hareketi Kürt hartış yani haftuna üstiye serok millet serok serüstiye bim sen millevi de bir hareketi Kürtçi çık gotine koyaya bira buvan ra açık net bibidri kemaya kese devan tamam bıkımay roy peşa rojit ke varna bir ağda yani rastıcı ve hareketi Kürtçi gereki hasta ki ha rastiye ha bir devlette rabbe sistemi rabbe bir yani kınayı ve yani belki havali ma siyaset etkin kaval çirme müci derkevne ne rastı rastı da tam ve seruk hakem belli
And they shouldn't put everything on my shoulder and I'm just a bridge and just a referee here so you need to do your job and they said that tell this to movement and also in the coming days a group from a movement will come to Iceland and they will make direct negotiation with the state.
Okay.